What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at the Lumino PL5. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify when this videos come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 130.ca. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. We're going to show you how it works as well today, and let's see what kind of features we can get. In the specification here, it says that it's about 5 watts. It's also Type-C. It says that it is capable of color temperature range from 2700K to 6500K. It has a 1500 lux and a battery capacity of 2100 milliamps. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's open this up like so. There you go. Don't need that. This comes with a bunch of metal slash sticky packs. Put that on the side. Instruction manual right there. Little mount so that you can put on a shoe on your camera right there. USB-C cable right there. Comes with a bag as well. Last but not least, the actual light. So as you can see, we have our light right here. On the back, there's a little screen right there where you could see it. There's a on and off button right there. Little mesh back, very nice feel right there. You can also mount that mounting part right there. Good to go. This can go stand up as well like that, so that's pretty good. Or mount it somewhere else. On the side, there's a USB-C slot right there. And then function dial right there. That's pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn this on. And there you go. As you can see here, you'll be able to change the brightness as well. There you go. By doing that. So the function, you can just, there you go, and see the brightness right there. So by pressing the on and off button, you'll be able to change the modes. They have a lightning mode right there. And then there's the fire version as well. As you could see there, it kind of mimics a fire looking light right there. That's pretty cool. And then this one mimics the lightning. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have here. Right there, as you can see up there, you'll be able to see how much battery you got as well. The dial on the side you can click as well. So you can see there, you can click it, and that little arrow will change, and then you'll be able to change that spot right there. There you go. So you can see there, we were able to make our light whiter now, cool light, and then you can change it back down to a warm light right there. Pretty good. Change this option again. Let's click this. As you can see there, you can change that as well. That will change the brightness of it. There you go. So you can see there, it's a lot brighter now that we put it at 100. Then we can click it again, and this will change the different lightning. There you go. It's a different style now, right? Very nice. Go change it to 3. Different style of lightning. There you go. It's more of a strobe now. That's pretty good. The other function is, let's go to fire here and see what kind of options they have. Let's change the brightness as well. Let's bump it up to 100% so you guys can see it better. There you go. Very nice. It's kind of cool. I kind of like this. It's very unique. It has different functions. So you could see there, it's not a consistent light. It's like fire, right? It's if you have some sort of video and you want to mimic fire with the light, you'll be able to do that with this. Let's change that to 3 now. So you can see there, it's a different type of pulse. That's pretty cool. So as you can see there, the back is also magnetic. If you stick this to a wall or something like that, or maybe one of your tripods or something like that, you'll be able to just stick it on there just like that. See that? And then if you're good to go, you could just hold this, press and hold that, take this off right here, and then grab your bag right there and stash it away. And then you're good to go. So the other feature that the Lumino has is you can use this to vlog with your smartphone. Basically, you just take this, and this is supposed to stick on the back of your phone like this. As you can see here, it won't stick or anything like that. But if you have an iPhone 12, because of the metal backing, you'll be able to use it with that. If you don't have one of those, you could just grab one of the metal plate that they gave you, and you could stick it right here. For those of you who doesn't want to do that though, the other option is put it on your case just like this, and then put it under your case just like that. And then what you need to do is just use it to stick this to your smartphone. And there you go. It's pretty good. Very nice. Let's go ahead and test this out. Turn this on like that. And then you would just put that right there. And then you can go ahead and use it for vlogging. It'll stick on the back of your phone. So you can see there, you'll be able to vlog with that. And then the function keys on the side is still accessible. So you'll be able to change this to however you'd like. Now, when you're vlogging, of course, you need a mic. So what you could do is just use this top part right here. And you can mount your mic up there. And there you go. What a good setup, right? Now you'll be able to just hook that up to your phone and you can go ahead and vlog. Now you'll be able to take your vlogging experience into another level. Now, of course, you can use the Lumina as well and mount it on top of your camera. Like so. Now you can adjust this to move it to wherever you want. And there you go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new light. If you are a photographer and also a videographer, lighting is the best thing you could buy for yourself so that you can improve your photos and videos. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next unboxings. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. This is the best bang for your buck if you're looking for something to just to supplement your photography and revamp it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.